start with basics. This is looking like, I just love coats. Be like dry. Hi guys, my name is Ashley and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. In today's video, we are actually going to be packing together to go to France next week. I'm actually really excited for the trip, but I am dreading to pack because every time when I pack, I feel like it's too much. It's like getting your whole life together and putting it in one box. And that to me is like crazy. I have so much stuff at this point. I'm just a girl, you know? Let's just get straight into it and make sure you subscribe to my channel, because if you don't, we're gonna fight. First of all, I got my suitcase here. I actually got this last year, I believe. It's from Primark. Very, very cute. They had different sizes, but at the time I needed this humongous size suitcase. I also got my Hello Kitty pillow from Primark. This was like £10. It's just so cute. It's my favorite thing in the world. Even though my flight is not that long, I still kind of want to bring it because it's so cute. By the way, ignore these like little scratches and stuff, because when I was at the airport, I guess they were rough handling my luggage, so yeah, I can't take it out. The first thing we're gonna pack is clothes, because I feel like I want to get that out of the way. I don't want to think about it, and then we can get into the makeup, skincare, and all that good stuff. So let's see what we're packing, because it's actually really hot over there. It's like 30 degrees plus. Basically, I'm kind of gonna die, but we're gonna have to make it. First of all, we're gonna start with basics, because I feel like that's just like a staple piece. It goes with any outfit, especially if you didn't really pack an outfit. You could just pair it with anything. I'm gonna put this long sleeve in so when it's chilly at nighttime, I won't be cold. I love this top. It's from Shein. It's very good quality. Kind of feels a bit like Skims. I'm also going to pack these two vests, because I feel like vests are just something you can throw on, especially if it's really hot. I might bring this black top, but the only reason I might not is because the heat really absorbs into black shirts and stuff, so I tend to not really carry black. Then I also got this like yellow flowy top. I think that would be really cute, giving fairy vibes. This red top is really cute, and I feel like it really goes with my skin complexion, especially for like date night or just like shopping in general. Then I got this Brazilian top. I think it's really cute to throw it on with some pair of jeans or like shorts or something. Next up is working out clothes slash tennis, because last time I went, I actually played tennis and I didn't have a tennis outfit, so we're gonna make sure to pack one this time. I got this like little tennis skirt. It's a little bit too long, but it's okay. We're still gonna bring it. I'm also gonna bring this white zipper because it's gonna look really cute, like all white tennis outfit. I just got these Gymshark flared leggings. They're really comfortable, and even like when you're sweating, it absorbs the sweat because it's for the gym. I really like this top to go with it. It's actually from Shein. I got it in a pack of like 3 or 4 tops that come like this. Then I just got this Define blue set. This is really cute. It also has the matching top to it. I'm also going to bring these 2 headbands because I love headbands recently. Actually for a while now, because anytime I like freshly wash my hair or anything, I just put it in a headband and call it a day, because I don't want to put any products in it. So these are very handy. Next up is pajamas. To be honest, I don't really have that many pajamas that are short, because I live in the UK. I got these cute PJs. It actually comes in a set. I'm gonna show you the bottoms. It comes with these little shorts. To be honest, I could wear it out as an outfit as well, so it works on both sides. I just got my Hello Kitty PJs with the pants. I have a bunch of dresses that I ordered from Shein, but I'm gonna try on some for you guys and myself, so I can see which ones I want to take and which ones I want to stay. Also, I'm trying not to pack jeans because I feel like I'm not really a jeans person, and also it's really hot, like I said, so it's more practical to pack dresses instead of jeans. So this is the first dress. It's like an emerald greenish color. I actually got this from France, but I only worn it like once, and I feel like I should wear it more and more. This is the back of the dress. I don't know, tell me guys what you think in the comments. Should I take it or should I leave it? So this is the next dress. I absolutely love this dress. It's so tea. It's a basic tube dress, but I absolutely love the design, and it's very like summer vibes. Definitely a keep. Okay, so this is the next dress. I actually got this dress from Bershka. It's a turquoise color, which I absolutely love, and I want to get more wear of it because I only wore it once in Spain. But yeah, very cute, very girly. Love. I'm gonna take a little break from the clothes for a minute, and I'm just gonna share with you a bunch of skincare that I will be taking. First up, I got the Medicube pore pads. These are absolutely incredible. I love using these to tone my skin, and especially in like hot weather, it's really good. Next up, I got the collagen wrapping face mask from Biovan. This I tried one time. Like, it makes your skin all shiny and glowy, and I just need this. I got some Dove soap because I can literally go nowhere without this. It's just great for overall cleaning, and especially down there. So yeah. I also got the Cotton Soft Sun Stick. It's basically SPF, but it has like a different texture to it. It's very like dry. Yeah, it's definitely different from a liquid one. I will be getting a liquid one as well, to be honest, because, you know, we definitely need that SPF in the hot sun. I got me some Mitchum deodorant. It's my favorite brand at the moment. I do want to try get the refillable ones, but for now this is just doing the job. Although this is over 100 ml, I will be getting the little travel containers in Primark. And I got some perfume from Zara. This one smells absolutely amazing. It's the Vanilla Bloom one. Last but not least, I got these eye masks. Also, I just want to show you guys my passport. It's so cute. It's from Shein. I also saw this Hello Kitty one, but I didn't get it since I have this one. But yeah, it just has my passport in there. Also, makeup wise, I have a bunch of makeup in here that needs cleaning, and the bag needs cleaning as well because it just looks hella dirty. But I got gifted this bag from my friend. It's Valentino. I just kind of love the color. It's very bright and in your face. I just want to show you guys a little bit of the products that I will be, you know, bringing. Hold the frick on. Okay, I did a quick wipe down because I couldn't stand the look of them. I'm just gonna show you some of the makeup that I will be bringing. So I've got the Too Faced concealer, the e.l.f. Halo Glow. This is like perfect if you want to look very glowy, very cutesy. I got the Road Blush in the shade Toasted Teddy. It's one of my favorites. I do want to get the pink one as well. The Milani blush. Fenty highlighter in the shade Prosecco. I got the Huda Beauty loose powder, my absolute favorite, like top of the list. It's the Blossom Cake and Peach Pie Easy Bake Duo. I got the Maybelline skin tints. These are really good as well, but I do think they should have more of a color range because I normally mix these two together, and I would just love it if they had one color that suits my skin complexion. I also ordered a bunch of things off AliExpress. I was gonna order off Shein, but I feel like it would have took too long, so this is literally my order. Also been loving this Kiko lip gloss. This is all my jewelry that I have. I'm gonna pick some out that I'm gonna take, but I don't really like carrying jewelry. I just feel like it gets all tangled. First of all, I'm gonna take these sunglasses. They're actually really nice. I got them on my holiday when I went to Spain. They're just very chic and girly, and it will go with like most of my like dressier outfits, so very cute. I'm actually gonna take these three bangles. Can't really tell on camera, but it's pink and gold, and it's just really cute. Instead of going to the nail shop and getting my nails done this year, I'm just gonna wear press-ons because I could take them off whenever I want, and I could change the style whenever I want. So these are the ones that I will be wearing for my holiday. Moving on to shoes and bags. I don't really know what to bring, to be honest, but I do have some options. I do have these gold ones, and I do think they would go with a lot of my outfits, so I'm probably gonna bring these. Then we got these white ones. I wear these all the time, so they're definitely coming with me. They're from Shein, if you're wondering. I feel like a bunch of stuff I just got from Shein because it's just cheap, you know, throw it in there. I also got these black like high heel sandals. If I had an all black outfit, these would eat. It's giving like Y2K. Last but not least, I got these cute Vivienne Westwood slippers. I got these are vintage and I haven't worn them yet, so maybe this is the moment. I'm not sure though. And then bag options, I just got this cute number, also from Vinted, and I got my Coach bag. This Coach bag is so adorable. I just wish I got it in a bigger size. I just love Coach. I feel like it's a low-key equivalent to like LV and Chanel. Am I stretching here? I just think it's affordable for me because I'm not paying thousands and thousands for a bag. I want it to be gifted, okay? And speaking of expensive bags, Babala Bag actually sent me a Chanel dupe, so let's unbox it. The packaging is so nice and feels really luxe. And then here she is. Wait, this is actually so cute. It's giving Chanel without the Chanel price tag. The burgundy lining with the gold writing inside is such a nice detail. I love that it has so many pockets and loads of storage so I can fit all my essentials in. And I've actually been taking it out with me, and honestly, I'm obsessed with how it looks on. It just makes every outfit fit a little bit more put together. Definitely check them out if you want a Chanel without the Chanel price tag. I'm actually going to be taking this book to go on the trip with me when I'm on the coast so I can read it, and also maybe on the plane as well. This is a good book, so if you have read it, let me know down in the comments. Also, technology wise, I'm going to bring my digital camera. I love taking pictures on this thing, and it's currently dirty, so I'm going to have to clean it. Like, I don't even know what's going on right here. Then I got my iPad. I love watching movies on here and playing games, especially Roblox at the moment. And I'm also going to bring my laptop because I need to edit and reply to emails while I'm there. I am going to bring a power bank, all my chargers. I need to bring my mic like this one, and also my camera, obviously, to film for you guys. I'm gonna bring my underwear. What else am I missing? Body creams and stuff I'm just gonna get when I'm there because I need the whole bottle. Oh, I also don't need to bring hair stuff like that because I'm gonna get my hair braided, and I'm so happy about that because I feel like it's too hot to have your hair out all the time. Anyways, I'm gonna sort my suitcase out and then I'll be right back with you guys to show you what I've done. Okay guys, this is what my suitcase is looking like. I just tried to put stuff together. I also put my bags and stuff as well. For this part, I'm just gonna leave it till last minute till I leave because I do need to use some of the products. I did want to bring my Bible as well because it's important, but I do have the app, so I don't really need to bring it. Also, it's like really heavy. But yeah, it looks really, really cute. Obviously, it's not gonna stay like this once I zip it up, but yeah. Well, there you guys have it. This was my pack with me, and I'm super happy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.